Bittrex Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Bittrex is a well-established crypto exchange designed for both beginners and experienced traders looking for a secure, efficient platform to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Its standout features include an extensive selection of over 300 cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees starting at 0.2%, and robust security measures, such as multi-stage wallet protection and two-factor authentication. Bittrex's user interface is straightforward, with a clean dashboard that makes tracking market trends and executing trades seamless. Advanced tools like customizable candlestick charts and detailed order books cater to seasoned traders, while the platform's simplicity and fiat on-ramps via bank transfers and cards make it accessible for new users. One of the strongest aspects of Bittrex is its security. The platform has a history of zero major hacks, emphasizing its commitment to safeguarding user funds. Additionally, U.S. users will appreciate that Bittrex complies with strict regulations, though this means it may not offer the same variety of tokens in every jurisdiction. The mobile app is another highlight, providing nearly the same functionality as the desktop platform and making it easy to manage your portfolio on the go. However, Bittrex does have some limitations. The customer support system, while functional, primarily relies on a ticketing system, which might feel slow during urgent issues. Additionally, while the fee structure is transparent, heavy traders may find the fees slightly higher compared to competitors like Binance or Kraken, which offer discounts based on trading volume. Overall, Bittrex is ideal for users prioritizing security, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and a straightforward trading experience. If you're looking for a safe and regulated platform with advanced tools and accessibility for fiat transactions, Bittrex is worth considering. But if minimal fees or live customer support are your priorities, you might want to explore alternatives. My experience with Bittrex has been smooth for portfolio diversification and moderate trading, making it a solid option for those seeking reliability over hype. If you've used Bittrex, share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you're considering trying it, start small and explore the platform to see if it aligns with your trading goals.